What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's another episode of the budget Porsche converting it to off-road, and today I'm putting on a 30mm spacer to give it about 1.5 inches of lift so I can put some 31-inch tires on. So I'll be walking you through the process, kind of doing a quick overview of how it goes and let you know what you guys need. Stay tuned. Thanks. So on the front struts, which you'll need to be taken off, is this bottom bolt here for the strut. 4 up there. These are 13s. This sway bar link you'll have to take off. That's an 18. And this bottom strut is a 21mm. So 21, 18, and 13 to take this out. And it does unbolt from underneath, so you don't have to pop the hood or go on up top or anything. And it'll just pop out, hopefully easy. So let's get at it. So before you take this bottom bolt out, go ahead and brace it with a jack or a jack stand, just in case it wants to expand on you. So I'm doing it just for precaution. But yeah, everything else came out quite easy. Got those 4 bolts up top, got the sway bar link disconnected. So all that's left is this, and the whole strut will come out.
What is going on, guys? I am here to finally help Billy. Got off work and headed over here. This is a great time, as you guys can see already. Billy's taking everything off, as he showed you already. The only thing we have done so far is that he took off the top mount of the shock. So to get this guy out of there, you had what, 16mm, right?
Yeah, 16.
You got a few 16mm bolts, which are there, another one which is there, and then the third one, which my extension is still on it, is hidden down here, basically by the master cylinder for the brakes and all that stuff. Super pain to get to. We went ahead and just left that one intact just because we can't get the bolt out and we're worried about getting it back in. So we've got that removed. Now the only thing is with this kit, they came with these, 4-inch, whatever they are, just bolts to bolt the spacer in. I don't know how they expect you to tighten it by just putting the studs in once you remove the original studs. So it looks like we're just gonna go ahead and extend or assemble it all onto the strut, get it all put back together over here, and then Billy's gonna hold it up into the Porsche as I tighten those upper controller mounts. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. I wanted to show you that what'd you do?
So I took off the upper ball joint, slid it to the side, took off this brake line bracket that's attached to the back of this, and that gives you, and you can flip up the top mount, gives you more clearance to take out the actual strut. That's the only way to actually take it out. We bolted up all this side. All I gotta do is slip on the wheel and go to the other side.
All right, guys, there you have it. Billy has the upper shock mount. He's gonna be placing the spacer in that one again, just like the other side. Everything came out pretty easily. I think we are gonna go ahead and remove the sway bar entirely. That should give us a couple, maybe 1 inch or 2 more of travel up and down when he's flexed out. But again, same thing as the other side. The 2 bolts, there's one kind of below those hoses. The other one is right there. And then the third upper bolt is hidden down in there somewhere. So those are the 3 to remove the top portion of the shock, which he's now putting the studs in like he did last time, which then he will then put the spacer, tighten that all down, hook it up to the strut, and then we will then reinstall it all again.
for tonight. We're gonna work on the backs a different night. So this is the tire combo I'm gonna run for now. It's 31s. Yes, it is a Jeep wheel. I was able to get a wheel adapter off uswheeladapters.com. It's a 5x130 to a 5x5. So yeah, this is the combo I'm gonna be running for now. In the future, I'll get a regular 5x130 wheel, but a little bit bigger. But this is just what I'm gonna run for now to make it a little budget build. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe.